Hey, today folks, we're going to be looking at the Catalina Legacy Edition. Today we're going to be checking out the 273 Bunkhouse. First off, we're going to start with the front end. We got this nice diamond plate right here. And then you also have, of course, your power front jacks right here with a light on it. Then if you come around here, you got the corrugated side. This is a Coachmen's, one of their really great trailers. It's all enclosed in there. As you can see, wood frame. You're gonna have the power awning that comes all the way out about 10 to 18 feet. Then you have your two outside speakers, and then check this out, folks. You have an outside kitchenette area with the fridge. You got a sink, and you also have a Coleman grill right here. So there should be an LP hookup somewhere close by here. Has the solid step that pushes up inside and you latch it in. Pretty cool. Now, one of the things about this trailer that everybody likes is this front closet right here. You got room in there for coats, shoes mostly, food, everything can go right up in there. Then if you spin around here to your right, you have the entertainment system. You're gonna have a nice size TV up here with speakers, and you're gonna have a DVD slash music station and Bluetooth your phone to it. Then you got a nice little cupboard right there for all your special DVDs and stuff. Then you come over here, we got more storage for pantry space. Then you got the Norco fridge that has a nice fridge and a freezer in it. Then, nice microwave. This is the Furion stove right here. You got a 3-burner stove right here. That comes up, it can act as a backsplash. Then you come over here, you got more storage. The AC is ducted. You also have individual LED lights that you don't have to have them all on. You can just push one button, use this light, turn it off, go over here, turn this light on, use it. While I'm over here, you have a nice U-shaped dinette. Has 2 storage bins under there. They're putting the 2 legs on these now. I like that it's more sturdy. Then if you circle back over here, you have a nice couch that sits right in front of the TV. It's a trifold bed. So if you have some visitors, this will fit 2 adults. Then you have the bunks over here. These also fit big adults as well because they're the wider ones and not the smaller ones. So you got 2 bunks here with a little storage passway under there too. So you can throw more shoes or, you know, whatever you need for your camping fun. And then to check out the nice size bathroom with the tub. So if you have an animal or kids that you need to get some dust or sand off of them, you have a spot right there to just wash them in the tub. Then if you come over here, this is the main room right here. You got more storage for hanging your clothes, more storage up here, queen size bed, storage under there. Also, this one's going to have a heated underbelly as well. And so let's step outside and I'll show you guys what's outside on this bad boy. So then we have the spare tire. There's a plug-and-play Furion backup camera if you wanted to add that. Just ask me questions about that if you're interested in that. Then you have all your drains and hookups. You do have an outside shower with the black tank flush. Ask me about that. Then if you come around here, this whole slide is on the rack of pinion. I'll show you that real quick. 2 rack of pinions. So if you look right there, you can see that this trailer is nice and sturdy. Got 2, those rods go all the way through the frame on this trailer. So if you're looking for a quality trailer at a great budget, this Catalina 27-footer is awesome. Give me a call. My name is Anthony Fuller. 541-653-2818. That's Anthony Fuller. They call me the Ant-Man. Thank you.